What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 04 Mr. Chrome Cobra. Today I'm going to be replacing the license plate lenses with some new ones from Daniel Carpenter. So as you can see here, my license plate light lenses are pretty nasty. The black is fading off here. Almost looks like they're starting to melt. The gasket there you can see is starting to disintegrate, and this one is almost even worse. So I ordered this new kit. I couldn't find the original Ford ones. I'd like to keep the little logo, but I could not find them online. So I ordered this new kit from Daniel Carpenter. I got them on lmr.com. They're about 15 bucks. Comes with new hardware, new gaskets, and new lenses. I already have LEDs in there. So I just want to do a quick review on the Daniel Carpenter pieces themselves, and we'll go over the install real quick. All right, so here we have our new kit. You can see the lenses. They're actually more of a gloss black, and the black painted part comes down a little bit lower than on the factories, but you can see it's got its new gaskets in there, and the lens is nice and clear. So the line isn't as crisp, you can see, as the factory ones, but pretty much these are your options. This one is a little bit better, but for 15 bucks and not OEM, you really don't have many other options. So these are the two lenses here. Not bad, still has some casting numbers. It's just you're not going to get that little Ford logo down there, unfortunately, and it does come with some new push pin hardware as well. So let's just pop those out and we'll get the new ones in. So what you want to do on most of these, if you try to just screw it, it's not going to come out. You'll see the whole thing is just going to twist. So you really need to keep some back pressure on here and then rotate this part, or you can use some pliers and actually pull the whole thing out. So especially being that I have new hardware, I just grab some needle nose. You go right on this outer edge of the front piece, the screw, just grab it, give it a little twist, and you'll be able to pull that right out. Then once you pull both of those out, you can honestly just grab it, and then you'll be able to twist this out, and the entire lens is going to come with it just like that. Then you just give the pigtail a quarter turn, which I'm trying to do here with one hand, and the whole thing will come out. So now let's get the new one on. Same process. And there you have it. The new ones are in. You got the nice gloss black on there, new hardware, no tooling marks on it, and they look sweet. So they're all in. We got our nice new lenses, look nice and clean. New gaskets. Just so you know, these aftermarket ones are a little bit fatter, so you do actually have to use some more pressure to push these in, but they will go in fine. But these gaskets are substantially thicker than the factory. So that is it. So drop any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching.